Hello everyone! Today's recipe ay gagawa tayo ng creamy mushroom soup. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. So creamy and so tasty. Try this at home, guys, and it's just simply delicious. It's amazing. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Click the bell for you to keep updated. Alright, let's get started by preparing our ingredients. Alright, so una natin gawin ay mag-chop tayo ng garlic. The more garlic ay the more na tastier yung ating lulutuin today. Okay, so i-chop lang natin ng maigi. And mas masarap kasi pagka maraming garlic. And meron tayong 1 piece ng onion dito. So anyway, if mayroon kayong white onion ay lalong mas masarap. So, wala akong white onion. So, yung available lang sa akin ay yung red onion. So, ito na lang yung ginamit ko. So, actually, parang okay lang din. So, malaki yung ginamit kong onion. And, mayroon tayong 2 trays ng white button na mushrooms dito. Anyway, kahit na anong mushroom yung prefer nyo na gamitin ay pwede. Alright, so hugasan lang natin ng maigi and then i-clean lang natin and i-chop natin siya into small pieces. So, hiwain natin siya ng maliliit. Okay, so ayan. So, gaya nito. So, basta maliliit ay okay na yan. So, mabilis na naman kasi yung mushroom natin maluto. So, maging soft and tender, mas mabilis siyang ipalambutin. Alright, so continue lang natin yung pag-chop ng ating mushroom hanggang sa matapos. Alright, so ito na yung ating mga ingredients. Okay, so mayroon tayong 2 trays ng white button mushroom, 1 large onion, 5 cloves ng garlic, 1 cup thick cooking cream, 1 cup chicken broth, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 3 tablespoon ng butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, pinch of thyme, 1 tablespoon of parsley, fresh is needed, and 3 tablespoons of flour. Alright, so ito yung ating mga ingredients. Alright, let's start cooking. So, magpainit lang tayo sa ating pan ng ating butter. So, i-add na rin natin yung ating oil. So, actually, mag-add tayo ng oil para hindi siya mas mabilis masunog yung ating butter. Okay, so, lower lang natin yung ating fire until na magiging melted yung ating butter. Okay, so after that, ay pwede na natin i-add or igisa yung ating garlic at saka yung ating chopped onions. Okay, so yung ating garlic and onions ay i-achieve natin yung medyo crispy yung texture ng ating garlic and onions. Okay, so ayan. Okay, so done na yung ating garlic and yung ating onion. So, mag-add na tayo ng 1 teaspoon ng salt. Alright, for now, 1 teaspoon lang muna ng salt yung gamitin natin. And yung black pepper powder natin. So, yung black pepper powder ay nagpapasarap and nagpapadagdag ng kaunting hotness sa ating soup. Okay, so ayan. So, after neto ay pwede na tayong mag-add ng ating flour. Okay, of course, yung flour ay kailangan natin para magiging thick. Para ma-achieve natin yung thick consistency ng ating mushroom soup. So, ito yung ilalagay natin. natin. So, tunawin lang natin siya. Haluin natin ng maigi hanggang sa magiging evenly. So, mag-add tayo ng chicken broth. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-sabaw ng ating mushroom soup. Okay, so pwede tayong mag-add ng additional na tubig. Okay, so para hindi ganon ka thick yung ating supas. Okay, so ito na, nag-add na tayo ng tubig and ihalo lang natin hanggang sa kumulo. Okay, so ayan, at boiling na. So, need na natin i-add yung ating chopped mushrooms. Okay, so yung mushroom natin napakabilis. Napakadali siyang magiging soft and mabilis palambutin. Okay, so ilagay natin and ihalo natin hanggang sa ihalo natin sa ating chicken broth and kakaunting tubig. Okay, so kailangan kasi yung soup natin ay thick yung consistency. So, hindi ganun ka masabaw, hindi ganun ka sobrang thick. So, yung tama lang. So, ayan, let it boil until na magiging tender. So, ayan, continue lang natin and hanggang sa magiging malambot yung ating mushrooms. Okay, so hayaan lang natin muna ng mga ilang minuto. So, ayan. So, let it boil. And alam nyo ba na mas lalong sumasarap yung ating mushroom soup pagka mas maraming white cream. Okay, so 1 cup yung cream na ilalagay natin later. So, mas lalo siyang magiging creamy. But, ilalagay muna natin siya after na maluto yung ating mushrooms. Okay, dahil tender na yung ating mushroom ay nag-add na tayo ng ating cooking cream. So, marami ding mga cream na pwede ninyong gamitin. Pwede kayong gumamit ng any brand na cream and yung gamit ko is cooking cream, yung lagi kong ginagamit and napaka-creamy niya and napaka-sarap. So, ayan, dahil nahalo na natin ang ating cream, ay i-mix natin ng maigi hanggang sa magiging even yung pagkahalo natin and magiging whitish yung ating mushroom soup. Okay. So, one thing about this ay napakasarap kainin ng ating mushroom soup, lalo na pag maulan, lalo na pagka may partner na yung mga, you know, yung butter, garlic butter toast or kahit na anong bread na mas masarap i-partner dito. Yung mga crackers ay pwede din kayong gumamit and kainin together with this mushroom soup. So, ayan, and kumukulo na and lower natin yung ating fire and para hindi masunog yung ating niluluto. So, actually, pag ganito ay malapit na natin ma-achieve yung thick consistency ng ating mushroom soup, which is yun yung gusto natin. Okay, so this time ay naglagay tayo ng pinch of kaunting-kaunti lang ng thyme and then mayroon tayong inilagay dito na parsley. Actually, wala akong fresh na parsley. So, medyo iba talaga pagka fresh parsley yung i-chop natin and ihalo sa ating mushroom soup. But it's okay dahil mayroon akong dried parsley dito, so okay lang. And ganun pa din yung lasa, pero iba pa rin talaga yung sarap ng fresh. Okay, so ayan, and malapit na, and in just few minutes ay pwede na natin i-serve yung ating mushroom soup na mainit-init pa. Sobrang yummy. Okay, so pwede na natin i-serve yung ating mushroom soup. Enjoy! And I am telling you guys, please try this at home. Yung iba actually, after nito ay nilalagay nila sa blender. Actually, gusto kasi nila yung walang halo na, yung mga solid. Gusto nila yung as in super yung parang soupy talaga yung gusto nila. So, yung atin okay lang to kasi it's okay. Sobrang soft naman yung ating mushroom. So, ayan, yung ating mushroom soup. Pwede kayong kumain ito together with some garlic buttered toast. Okay, so sobrang sarap. So, i-garnish na lang natin guys ng kahit na kung wala tayong fresh na parsley or pwedeng dried parsley. Okay, so pwede kayong mag-garnish para lalo siyang sumarap tingnan. Okay, so enjoy. Hopefully today nag-enjoy kayo sa ating recipe. So hoping to see you again next time sa mga coming videos ko pa na gagawin and i-upload. Thank you very much for each and every one of you na laging nandyan to support me. So please try to check out ang mga na-upload ko na rin ng mga iba't ibang affordable, budget-friendly, napaka-simple but sobrang healthy recipes sa aking channel. Okay, so thank you everyone for coming and thank you for watching. Sa mga hindi pa dyan nakasubscribe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Pakiclick na rin ng bell para maging updated kayo sa mga iba pang videos na darating. Okay, so ayan. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo and please take care. God bless us and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Thank you for watching and be safe. Bye everyone.